Shure has once again pushed the boundaries of professional audio with the release of the MV7i, the world's first intelligent dynamic microphone, featuring dual-channel recording, real-time, noise reduction, and integrated USB-C and XLR combo connections. Designed with podcasters, streamers, and musicians in mind, the Shure MV7i offers a powerful, all-in-one solution that simplifies complex audio setups without compromising sound quality. Right out of the box, the Shure MV7i strikes a balance between professional aesthetics and practical design. The packaging is minimalist yet premium, with the front of the box displaying the microphone image, the Shure logo, and the product tagline Smart Microphone and Interface. Inside, users will find a 3-meter USB-C to USB-C cable, thread adapter, quick start guide, and a welcome card introducing the Motive Mix software. Physically, the MV7i is built like a tank. Constructed from die-cast aluminum with a sleek matte, dark gray finish, the mic feels solid and high-end. The surface resists fingerprints and dust, keeping the mic clean and professional looking even after extended use. Despite its robust build, the microphone remains compact and manageable. At 169.5 mm in length and 567 grams in weight. Its adjustable yoke mount provides flexibility in angling and placement, whether mounted on a boom arm or a desktop stand. The integrated shock mount effectively isolates handling noise, while the detachable foam windscreen, enhanced with Shure's proprietary digital popper stopper, filters out plosives for cleaner vocal recordings. One of the standout features of the Shure MV7i is its dual connectivity, offering both USB-C and a combo XLR input. This allows content creators to connect the mic directly to a computer, tablet, or smartphone for digital use, while also enabling analog connections for traditional audio interfaces, mixers, or musical instruments. The rear panel includes USB-C port for direct digital recording and power supply. XLR combo jack accepts either a second microphone XLR or instruments TSTRS. 3.5 mm headphone output provides zero latency monitoring of both input channels in real time. This flexible setup makes the MV7i a portable dual-channel interface, eliminating the need for external gear during podcasts or jam sessions. On the top panel of the MV7i lies a touch-sensitive LED strip that does more than just look cool. This RGB strip supports 36-bit color, offering over 16.8 million custom shades via the Motive Mix software. It acts as a visual volume meter and provides intuitive controls, such as tap-to-mute functions with red color feedback when muted. This small design detail enhances both usability and visual feedback, particularly valuable during live sessions or streaming, where silent mic muting or gain control is critical. Shure has outfitted the MV7i with advanced digital signal processing (DSP) features that raise it well above conventional dynamic microphones. Central to this is the auto-level mode, which works in tandem with Smart Gate, a real-time, intelligent gate that adapts to speaker distance, vocal loudness, and room acoustics. Smart Gate automatically reduces gain when the user is not speaking, minimizing crosstalk and background bleed in multi-speaker setups. It ensures cleaner recordings by dynamically optimizing audio levels during conversations or performances. The mic also features real-time denoiser, filters out ambient noise, like fan hums or distant traffic in real time. Digital popper stopper virtually eliminates plosive sounds without requiring external pop filters. Reverb effect adjustable to add natural room tone or creative depth. Tone profiles, users can toggle between dark, natural, or bright voice profiles to best suit the source material. The Motive Mix desktop application is the control hub for unlocking the full potential of the MV7i. Through an intuitive interface, users can customize LED colors and brightness, adjust DSP parameters, EQ, compression, limiter, Choose recording modes: mixdown, stereo, multi-track. Control noise reduction and reverb levels. Save presets and manage audio files within the built-in library. The app is compatible with Windows, macOS, and mobile devices through the Motive mobile app, making it easy to tailor your sound on any platform. Sound-wise, the MV7i delivers where it matters most. Thanks to its dynamic capsule, it captures natural, full-bodied vocals with excellent rejection of room noise. Ideal for untreated home studios or live environments. Compared to legacy models like the SM58, the MV7i offers clearer highs and smoother mids, along with less distortion under high SPL conditions. It's equally impressive for spoken word and musical instruments, providing enough headroom for everything from acoustic guitars to synths and drum machines. Whether you're hosting a podcast, live streaming, recording vocals, or performing live with an instrument, the MV7i adapts to your workflow with minimal setup time and maximum flexibility. The Shure MV7i is a game-changing microphone for creators who demand versatility, quality, and simplicity. With its dual-channel input, professional build, and powerful onboard DSP, it removes the complexity from recording high-quality audio. For podcasters, musicians, streamers, or anyone producing content in 2025, the MV7i isn't just another microphone. It's your mic, interface, DSP processor, and control hub all rolled into one sleek, robust device.